In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira and ServiceNow, a task that can significantly streamline your workflow and improve efficiency in managing your tasks and projects. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can synchronize tasks, enhance communication, and ensure that your teams have access to the information they need right when they need it. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make this integration happen smoothly. First, let's start by opening up Jira. Once you've got Jira up and running, take a look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel filled with various options. You want to locate and click on the one that says Apps. This is your gateway to a whole range of functionalities that can extend and enhance your use of Jira. After clicking on Apps, your next destination is the Explore More Apps section. This area is where you can search for various integrations and add-ons that can make your project management experience richer. Once you're there, you'll find a search bar. In this search bar, type in ServiceNow. This will help you locate the specific add-on that we're focusing on today. Upon hitting Enter, you'll see ServiceNow pop up in the search results. You'll want to click on this to be taken to its specific app page. On this page, you'll find valuable information like the features the integration offers and reviews from other users who have already installed it. Taking a moment here to explore the features can be really helpful, as it will give you a better understanding of what to expect once the integration is complete. Now that you're familiar with what this integration entails, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll spot a button labeled Install. Click on it, and you'll be prompted with an option to try for free. A great opportunity to test out the integration without any immediate financial commitment. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through connecting Jira with ServiceNow. These instructions are typically straightforward and easy to follow. And just like that, you've integrated Jira with ServiceNow. This connection will allow your teams to operate more cohesively and ensures that communication flows seamlessly between both platforms. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to experiencing the enhanced capabilities and efficiencies that come with integrating these two platforms. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to consult the help sections offered by both Jira and ServiceNow. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.